Did we start? Okay. Hey everybody, this is Bob McKenna, and a friend of mine expressed interest in headstand technique. And Stephanie, one of the advantages I had was in high school. I actually competed on the gymnastics team, so in my life I had some experience doing it. Got married, let myself go. Got married and had. So anyway, I'm trying to not keep letting myself go for the rest of my life. And so a couple of things, you want to have a safe area, and I would recommend you can start practicing it against a wall. If you're going to come back down, you want to come back down the same direction you went up. If you go over the top, you're going to want to curl your spine so that you do like a somersault, rather than have your whole body like slap the ground. You could get injured. We don't want that. But I'm going to go without the wall just to show you where to go. Now, you're going to want to kind of stretch out your neck a little bit beforehand, side to side, forward to back. A couple reps each way, get it a little bit. Now, the point you're going to lay on the ground is the forehead, much thicker bone than the top. And you can use a mat or maybe even a little cushion at first. So that's the best way I can show this to you. So we'll go crouch down. And there is a risk I'm going to go over. I'm doing this in one take. Get the hands about hip distance apart. Place the forehead down. And one at a time, you can get one knee on each elbow. See how you do. And this is the start. If you can balance here, you're off to a great start. I did forget one thing. When you're standing, you want to take your pelvis and kind of not have the bucket. If your pelvis were a bucket, you wouldn't want to tip it forward, the water spill out. Get it nice and level. And when you rise, you're going to be using core to try and hold it firm and straight. So I'll resume. Forehead down. You go one leg at a time. I'm actually having trouble with that one. And it went down. So I'll try one more and see if we can't balance it. So what I do is I set the timer on 10 seconds. I run over here. Hold it firm in the core. And I'm kind of, if anything, leaning forward this way. Falling that way could be difficult or a little bit of risk of injury. So you can practice against the wall until you get some confidence with it. I hope that helps. Sorry for that bright light. I did like that circle thing on the wall though as a backdrop. Thanks, take care now.